K-59 Dance Troupe. K-59 was established in 1992. We started out as a fraternity group, stepping, doing what we can do in the neighborhood, channeling our energy into just dancing instead of violence. Again, the group has been around almost 25 plus years. Today, this is the 7th generation of K-59. I have a group of dancers, ages ranges from 5 to 16, that's located throughout Chicago and the south suburbs. We perform all over Chicago. 2013, we were the champions for the Bud Billiken Parade. Also, my kids have a motto: God brought us together, let no one tear us apart. One of the reasons why I brought the group back, again, because all the violence that's in the city of Chicago is nonsense. So the kids that I have now, which is 35 plus, I know I can't save everyone, but the ones up under my umbrella, I know that I can possibly save. Some of the requirements that's in the dance group: you have to maintain a B average in school. We do recommend progress reports each and every market period along with grades. My kids are extraordinary, they're good, and they have God on their side. We pray before every show, we pray before practice, and when we end practice. This is my ministry. Today we're at the Woodson Library doing a performance today, and just be on the lookout. We're doing big and better things.
My name is Danisha Smith. I'm 16 years old. I've been in this group for about 6 years. This group means the world to me because I love dancing. Dancing is life, and that's it. Keeps me off the street. That's it.
I know that I can always be myself. You more than